What it do, y'all? It's your boy Tampa 2. Today we got some chicken curry, Vietnamese style, and some freshly made bánh that my dad just made. Mm. This is a little bit of sriracha, lemon, salt. Today's kind of a crazy day at work. Tuesday after 4th of July, that's when it gets busy because Monday, nobody wants to do shit, right? But Tuesday, everybody's back, standing on business, got to get stuff done. Wearing my One Blood shirt today, y'all, just representing. Definitely a need out there. So if you're able to, please donate some blood. Well, too, what about all the tattoos? You can't donate blood. You got tattoos. Only if you gotten a tattoo within the last 6 months. Then you got to disclose that because they might not be able to accept your blood. Just never know when your blood could save a life, And I don't know. You go to sleep peaceful at night thinking about that. Yes, I am. Do what you can, Not to mention, you get at least $50 worth of goodies. Free Chick-fil-A, free t-shirt, other gifts too, just by doing it. Why not? Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Stay blessed as always. I'll see you tonight for dinner. Peace.